understanding the T-handle wrench, an essential tool. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very specific but interesting topic, the T-handle wrench. If you're curious about tools or just want to expand your English vocabulary, you're in the right place. A T-handle wrench is a type of tool used for tightening or loosening fasteners such as nuts and bolts. It gets its name from its shape, which resembles the letter T. This design provides a comfortable grip and allows the user to apply more torque with less effort. Typically, it's used in mechanical and engineering fields, but it's handy for everyday tasks too. The T-handle wrench consists of two main parts, the handle and the shaft. The handle is the horizontal part that you hold, and the shaft is the vertical part with a socket or a tip at the end for engaging with the fastener. This simple but effective design is what makes the T-handle wrench so versatile and easy to use. T-handle wrenches are used in various scenarios. Bicycle repair, ideal for reaching into tight spaces. Machine maintenance, provides precision and control. Furniture assembly, offers ease of use and efficiency. Understanding its uses helps in grasping the practicality of this tool in everyday life. T-handle wrenches come in different types and sizes. The most common are Allen wrench, a hexagonal tip, used for hex screws. Torx wrench, a star-shaped tip, used for Torx screws. Each type caters to specific types of screws and bolts, making it important to choose the right one for the job. And that's a wrap on the T-handle wrench. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can make tasks easier in various fields. We hope this video helped you understand more about this tool and added a new term to your English vocabulary. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and happy learning!